Unofficial German time, a unique way to tell the hours. In this lesson, we delve into an unconventional method of reading time in German, a departure from the formal approach discussed in previous chapters. Numbers matter. To comprehend unofficial German time telling, a solid grasp of numbers is crucial. Refer to lessons 3 and 4 for a comprehensive understanding. Informal setting, cite in In informal settings, like chatting with friends or family, the phrase cite in is employed. Let's explore how this influences time communication. Full hours. Whether it's the 12-hour or 24-hour clock, expressing full hours follows a consistent pattern. Let's walk through some examples, emphasizing clarity without the use of AM or PM. Example 1, S is eins. Example 2, assist sex. Midnight special. When it's midnight, you can say, "Yes ist Mitternacht." Avoid the use of AM or PM, relying on context or additional words like morgens, morning, or abends, evening for clarity. Hours and minutes. Adding minutes to hours introduces nuances. For instance, S is eins translates to assist einsen, representing a quarter of an hour. Example, is Swansea eins, nach means after, indicating it's quarter past 1. Before and after. Special cases, like S is halb zwei, emphasize the uniqueness of German time telling. Halb refers to half an hour before the next hour, unlike English's half past. Special cases. Explore variations like est kurz for fünf, for moments 5 minutes before or after an hour. Est kurz nach Halbzehn showcases another distinctive case. Summarizing the unofficial. In unofficial time, precision isn't to the minute. Instead, rounding off figures is common. Complete hours, assist sex, est7, etc. Half hours, S is halbsex, helps even, etc. 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes past, est kurz for fünf. Est kurz nach Halbzehn, etc. 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes before est kurz nach fünf, etc. Practice makes perfect. Test your understanding with exercises like as is fear for 9, and see how well you grasp this unique approach to time telling. Conclusion. Embrace the distinctive charm of unofficial German time, a rounded and context-driven way of expressing the hours. Prost!